We're here at the NPTC group of colleges Taster Days, which is an opportunity for Year 10 pupils from our partner schools to come into college and have a look at the subjects that are available. And it's the first opportunity really for them to start exploring their post-16 education choices, and be that A-level or be that vocational subject. And as they move into Year 11, that engagement that we have with them will increase. So we support them through their application process, through open evenings that we hold across our campuses, so they get to come in and really make the most informed choice.